Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to walk through how to turn a Webflow site into a membership platform using Memberstack 2025. This is going to cover user sign up, gated content, membership plans, payment by Stripe, and personalizations. You will build a basic paid membership workflow in under 6 minutes. Now, Memberstack lets you add authentication, gated content, Stripe payments, and user dashboards, all visually customizable in Webflow without backend code. It supports passwordless logins, plan tiers, content gating at both page and element levels, and integrates with Zapier or Make for automations. It remains a top choice even as Webflow's native memberships evolve. The first thing is going to be, of course, to create a membership account and new project. So just click on Start a free trial. Now, it's basically going to ask you to link your Webflow site, but you can also link your WordPress site or things like that, okay? And you can even start with a template if you don't have a website yet, okay, which is what I did. Keep in mind, guys, that you have many different plans if you go to here, and you even have like a free plan, which is called Young Professional, which is going to cost you $0 per month. But you have a 4% transaction fee on your memberships, okay? So that's important to notice, but I highly recommend this. You know, this free plan is gonna allow you to build everything and test without Stripe until you're ready to go live even. So guys, the most important part is actually installing this Memberstack, plugin into our account, into our website, okay? So we're just gonna go to settings in here, and I'm going to go to install a code, okay? And you have to basically copy this page in here. So just copy this. This, of course, assuming that you have like a Webflow website, but if you have something like a WordPress, the code is going to be different, guys. And if you don't have either a WordPress or a Webflow, but it's a vanilla, meaning that it's like a custom made website, you have to copy this, okay? But in my case, I'm just going to copy this. Now, what you have to do with this code is basically paste it in the header of your Webflow, website, as you can see in this little video here. Okay, so just go to your, settings in Webflow, and just scroll down until you can find custom code, and you can just add this head code in here. So just paste it. Now the next thing that we have to do is we need to create like a form, okay, like a sign up form. So what are we gonna do? Just come to components in here, and you have actually many different options that you can go with, okay, but I'm gonna choose something simple, so just this one here. Amazing. And this is how it's going to look basically. You can also click on view, and that's going to take you to an external page, and from here you can actually play around with this. Whenever you're ready to copy and to clone this component, just click on copy component in here, and then you're just going to be able to copy directly into your Webflow page. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Just a copy paste. Now let's say that you want to add a member to your subscription. Okay, what are you going to do? Just going to come to members, and you're going to click on create member. Now we basically have to introduce the email of this guy, of this person in here, and we have to set a password. That's very important because this is going to allow this person to access our premium content, all right? But before anything else, guys, we have to go to plans, okay? Because we're not going to be able to assign this member to any plan if we don't have a plan. So let's just go to plans in here. And now we're just going to create a new plan, and we can select either a free plan or a paid plan. It depends on you. This is going to be premium, and this is going to be free. I'm just going to go for the free plan now. Just add a name and a suitable description and click on create plan. And keep in mind, guys, that you can block access to these members to certain pages by clicking on gate content. Okay, so just click in here. And I recommend that you go to restricted URLs and that you copy paste some maybe URLs in here that you don't want these people to access because they are on the free tier yet. Let's say that you want to redirect these people to, I don't know, to a certain page, to a certain content. What are you going to do is you're just going to go to login, okay, redirects on login, and then you're just going to enter your domain, your URL. For example, this might contain certain images, certain documents that you want these people to be able to see. Once you're ready to go live, you have to connect your Stripe account. Okay, so just go to settings, Stripe settings, and click on connect. This is very important, and this is going to unlock paid plan subscription billing, such as monthly, one-time, or metered. Test the flow by signing up as a user in Webflow and confirm that payment is processed and membership is activated. Also, you can just come to the dashboard to see your stats for the last days. Okay, this is very important to see how your progression in terms of visitors and subscriptions. The pros, in my opinion, is that you have total visual design control using Webflow. You have powerful payment and a plan logic via Stripe, highly customizable content gating and personalized UI, and you have a free testing mode and scalable pricing based on members. The only cons, in my opinion, is that you don't have a lot of advanced workflows. Okay, it's kind of basic, and also the fact that you have to manually be checking for the tasks in order to see if they work or not. Thank you so much, guys.